May mga remaining questions pa ba kayo para... pa ba kayo bago nyo i-pursue yung dream nyo to fly as a flight attendant? Kung iyan ang tanong nyo, then this episode is for you. What's up mga kakulitan and kakulutan? This is Ron Kulot of the Cool Squad and welcome back to the Cool Channel. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-support sa amin ng all mga past videos namin and we really appreciate your support. Please continue to support us by liking and sharing this video and of course by subscribing to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking more about being flight attendant. So we have discussed the physical requirements sa past video natin and today we'll be talking about another topic. That brings us to the second episode of our flight attendant tutorial series. Let's start today's topic. Okay, we'll be talking about yung mga frequently asked questions ng mga applicants natin about flying na hindi pa nila nahahanapan ng sagot. So kung na-explain natin yung mga physical requirements doon sa last episode natin, we will be talking about some things that are different now. Yung mga ibang questions pa na hindi pa rin talaga nasasagot. And to help us answer those questions, we have a very special guest for today. We have one of the instructors of MIFAD's Flight Attendant Training School dito sa Bulacan, a good friend of mine, Miss Cris Miranda. Come join us!
Yeah!
So guys, let me introduce you, Miss Cris Miranda, who's gonna introduce herself to you.
Hi, I'm Cris Miranda, one of the instructors here in MIFADS. I handle the safety emergency
Tell
procedures.
us more about your experiences bago ka nagturo dito sa MIFADS, your flying experiences.
Flying experience. First, I'm a graduate of BS Tourism in University of Santo Tomas because I was really planning to become a flight attendant. My first job is in domestic. I became a cabin crew of Air Philippines way back 1996. Tagal na.
Baby pa ako noon.
Wow! And then, I stayed there for 6 years. Then, I've logged for international flights. So, nag-apply ako sa Qatar Airways. I joined, which is when,
Sige lang, tagin niya pag...
luckily, in one try, I got through sa Qatar Airways and I stayed there for 12 years. So basically, I have 18 years flying experience. So you might guess my age now, Char.
Bawal yun, bawal yun. But as you can see guys, Miss Cris right here is so full of experience to share with us all. Okay? So gamitin natin yung experience niya na yan by answering some questions na most of you have asked us. Nakalagay dito sa ating magic bowl. Now, we won't be answering... Magic talaga. So, we won't be answering questions na nasagot na namin doon sa previous episode natin about physical requirements. So, we won't be answering much of those questions na kasi please watch that episode na lang by clicking on the link in the description box. Alright? So, ngayon, we'll start the questions. Start with the first question. Ladies first.
Alright.
Ano kaya? Nanalo na kaya?
Oh, wait lang ha. Need to wear glasses. Kasi sabi naman, 1996, no?
Sa application, bawal ang glasses as I told you. Pero syempre, when you read, when you need it, you can use it.
First question. Okay, do I need to attend an flight attendant school training before applying? Not necessarily. Okay, hindi naman kailangan because the airline itself will train you. Okay, but syempre, marami kayong tips na makukuha, maraming advantages pag nag-train kayo sa flight attendant school. It's not a must, it's up to you. Okay? Pero marami kayong matututunan. So, prepared kayo for the interview, yung grooming, and then the hard part, yung technical terms, sa SEP, sa Safety Emergency Procedure. So, somehow, you have a big edge compared sa other applicants. So, yeah.
Very good. Okay, so my turn now. Right. So, sabi nyo, is it okay to have colored hair? Well, the airlines, like this?
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Bakit? Kasi the airlines would usually prefer their cabin crew applicants to have their neutral or normal hair. Diba? Kung gusto mong laruin yung kulay ng buhok mo, then you can go down to around 2 shades maximum or higher, maybe darker by around 2 shades then. So, play with that 2 shades higher or lower than your normal hair color. Wag OA
Like kalawang. Next!
Next!
Okay. Why is it most airlines only hire female applicants? Talaga sa akin pa na po. Alright?
Pinatanong kasi.
Most airlines, kinokontrol nila yung population ng gender population ng flight attendants. Usually, most airlines, they maintain 80% female and 20% male. So, pag mass hiring, okay, they always take the female. Okay.
Mas madalas.
Mas madalas. Yun lang yung reason doon. Nothing else. Wala namang discrimination na gusto nila kung babae na. No.
I remember in Cebu Pacific when I was flying with them before, we cannot fly all male. All female can fly, but all male, no way. No way.
There's always female daw.
Should be a female. Okay, right? My turn. Mahaba to Right.
Well,
I really want to be a flight attendant. What if I didn't meet the standards of the airlines here in the Philippines? Any tips or suggestions to pursue my dream? So, the question is about not making it to the cut dito sa Pilipinas. Kung mahirapan ka, kasi nga, as I said before, mataas yung competition ng mga FAs dito sa Pilipinas. So, an alternative way of joining the airlines is actually flying abroad. Medyo magastos, but it's really worth it. Kasi around, siguro mga 85% less applicants yung mga makakalaban nyo doon. So, you will see, yung competition is just this much. So, kung gagalingan mo sa abroad, then you'll make it.
yeah, and nag-train ka sa Flight Attendant School.
Even more.
Masakit.
More edge, of course.
But, nakakamas. Okay. I have a scar or tattoo birthmark. Will I get rejected? Do I need to declare them? Okay, sa scar, i-conceal mo lang yung scar. Okay. If you have budget, put the laser.
Siyempre, oo.
Tattoos. Most airlines, they allow tattoos as long as it's not showing in the uniform. Except Qatar Airways, where we came from, talagang no tattoos allowed. Okay. So, even if you got through already, you started flying with Qatar Airways and then you went to Bangkok and have a tattoo, and they catch you. How to catch, no? Sa medical mo kasi, magkakaroon ka na naman annual medical check-up, then makikita yon kahit concealed under the uniform, then not allowed yet.
Strict no
Very,
tattoo
very.
policy.
Okay. So, tattoos, yes, dito sa domestic and other airlines except Qatar Airways, not allowed.
Right. Next. I don't have any customer service experience. Can I still become a cabin crew? You see, the airlines are quite aware na may mga applicants talaga na newly graduate lang. So, ano expect mo experience sa kanila? Di ba? Wala naman sila mga experience. So, although it's a plus to have a customer service background, it's still not like required. Kasi matututunan nyo, sabi ko nga, di ba dun sa past episode, you have the inner passion for service. So, bawat individual, regardless of your experience, meron tayong passion for service. And that's what the airlines are looking for.
Okay. Yan. Pinipili ko yung manipis.
Malay mo, mas mahirap yung tanong kung manipis.
Mahaba yung tanong. Okay. Do they accept married applicants or with kids? Yes, they do. Okay. Domestic, yes. International, yes as well. Even single moms, yes, of course. Except Oman Air, all single, and Pan Pacific.
Philippine Airlines prefer single, pero they just prefer. They still hire you if you're married, pero they just prefer. Next. how is the airline training in real airlines? Like, ulitin natin ha. How are the airline trainings now? How are the cabin crew? how is the airline training in real airlines like? Actually, it's wrong. How is the cabin crew training in real airlines like? Ganun dapat yung tanong na eh. Because sabi ko nga, we have our special training every time you get hired by an airline. Siyempre, tuturuan ka nila ng SOPs nila, ng protocols ng company nila. And for you to make it through as a cabin crew, kailangan mo talagang ipasa yung training na yun. So, it's a little bit difficult. 7 weeks of rigid training. Araw-araw may lecture, tapos may examination every other day. So you're only allowed to fail 2 examinations bago ka nila sipain. And, you know, babalik ka naman sa zero. Kung gusto mong reapply, you have to go through the process all over again. So, very rigid. 90% pa nga yung passing score.
Yes.
Di ba, Chris?
Or more.
Sa other airlines, 95%. So, really, really mahirap talagang ipasa. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-aaral kung gusto mo yung cabin crew.
But I think, since nandun ka na, nakapasa ka na with all the interviews, gagalingan mo naman for sure. Because everybody likes your job. So nandun ka na, just forward always. And talagang aral, magsusunod ng pilay. And talagang, nerve-wracking, maiiyak ka.
Hindi madali.
Hindi madali. Okay.
For a moment, akala ko mali yung kinukuha mo dyan. Iba na isip ko.
What if I don't know how to swim? My God, ako yun. Diyos ko po. But see, hindi ako marunong lumangoy. Grabe. Sinabi ko lahat yan sa mga students ko. Okay? Nung pinatalon ng 15 feet sa Air Philippines, sabi ko, oh my God, trabaho na to. Kailangan kong tumalon. Talon! Okay? Kasi gusto ko talaga yung trabaho eh. Dami kong nalunok na tubig. Okay? But in the end of the day, nagawa ko dapat lahat ng dapat gawin. And I have a award. Ano yung award ko? Gutter Baby.
Gutter Baby!
Kasi lagi ako nasa gutter. Okay? Nakakapit lang. Diba? Pero then, pagdating sa international, ganun din. Okay, may swimming pa yung Qatar Airways that time. Sa penthouse pa ng hotel. So, ang lamig. It's winter time. If you have time, okay, na mag-enroll sa swimming lessons, yes. Okay, you can. Kasi, especially sa domestic, no? Required, isa talaga yan sa qualification na kailangan marunong lumangoy because the Philippines is surrounded by water. Okay? So, yeah, we are on an archipelago. So, kailangan talagang matutong swimming. Kasi sa Qatar Airways, no, nung we started, kailangan it required. Then, they remove it. Okay? Kasi, ang reason nila, meron naman daw life jacket. So, pag sa Manila ka nag-apply sa Philippines, kailangan mo mag-aral mag-swimming.
Pero don't ever say na hindi kayo marunong lumangoy. Sayang. So there you go guys. Kulang pa yung oras. I'm sure marami pa kayong gustong itanong sa amin, hindi ba? We would like to thank Miss Cris for sharing her knowledge, for sharing her experience, for sharing her love and passion to all of us. Kaya lahat naman tayo nakinabang sa mga sagot niya sa mga questions. Diba guys? If you have any other questions, alam ko marami pa, please do write your comments in the comment section below. Alright? And also, of course, do not forget to support us fully every time. So follow us on Instagram.
Like us on Facebook.
Follow us on Twitter. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Cool Channel. On following us so you will be able to know the 3rd installment of our Flight Attendant tutorial series. In our first video about FA tutorial, we will be giving away special prizes on our 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to our channel. So guys, do not forget to
Stay home and stay safe.
and of course, stay cool.